Good morning children. Welcome back to SS class. Today we are going to discuss new block number 16, our soil resource. What is soil? Soil we can find everywhere in earth crust. Isn't it? Yes. Soil is the fine materials that found in the earth crust or earth surface. What is soil? Soil is the fine materials that found in the earth crust or earth surface. We can find it in everywhere. Okay, how is it formed? How is it formed? It formed by breaking down of rocks or parent materials. Okay, so in today's class we will learn about lesson 1 and lesson 2 from this block, which are layers of soil and types of soil. Okay, so first we can discuss the first lesson, layers of soil. Aim of this lesson is to identify the layers of soil. So what is soil? Soil is the topmost thin layer of small rock particles, minerals and variety of organic matters that covers the land surface of the earth. Soil is very useful for the cultivation of crops. It is formed by breaking down of rocks into fine particles. Soil contains both living and non-living things. Plants use these nutrients for their growth. Crop will be healthy only if grown in a fertile soil. Okay, so soil is very important to grow crops, and it is very important for the healthy plants, healthy growing of plants. Fertile soil is needed for the healthy growing of the plants. Okay, so in this lesson we will discuss about the layers of soil. This picture, and what do you see in the picture? Yes, we can see layers. What do you see in this pot? Is soil on it? All the materials in the pots similar or different? Yes, materials in the pot is different. Are they arranged in layers or mixed up? Yes, these materials, different materials arranged in different layers. How many layers can we find there? We can find how many layers? 3 layers. So, soil can be divided into 3 layers. Which are they? Yes, very good. Topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. We can discuss the first layer. Which is the first layer of the soil? Topsoil. Topsoil contains humus, which is formed by decay of dead organic matters. It is very rich in nutrient. So, topsoil contains humus, which is formed by the decay of dead organic matters. It is very rich in nutrient. This is the topmost layer of the soil. Then next one, subsoil. Subsoil, which has less humus and is sandy in texture. It is sandy in texture and which has very less humus. Then under the subsoil, that is the last layer of the soil, bedrock, which consists of solid rocks. Okay children, do you got it? Which are the 3 layers? You got it? Which are the 3 layers? Yes. Topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. So, topsoil contains humus, which is very nutrient and it is so suitable for the cultivation. Okay, then next one, subsoil. It is sandy in texture, less humus content. Then last one, bedrock, that is rocks. It contains rocks. It contains solid rock. This soil, top soil or thin layer of the soil formed. Yes, very good. The soil formed by the breaking down of the rocks. Soil formed by breaking down of the rocks. Okay, do you understand what are the layers of soil? Okay, so we have finished lesson 1, layers of soil. Let's move to lesson 2, types of soil. Types of soil. Okay children, soil is not similar in all places. It is different in different physical features. We can find one type of soil in desert. When we move to another place or a plain, it is different. So, in this lesson, we will learn about different types of soil. In India, there are 6 major types of soil. Okay children, let's see this type of soil. Alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, desert soil, mountain soil and laterite soil. So, in this lesson, we will learn about the characteristics or features of different types of soil. Okay, let's discuss the characteristics of each type of soil. First, we can discuss alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is formed by the deposition of sand and silt by the rivers along their banks. It is this soil found mostly in northern plains of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. It is very fertile and rich in potassium. Crops that grown on this soil are rice, wheat, jute, sugarcane and oil seeds. Okay, so alluvial soil is formed by the deposition of sand and silt by rivers along their banks. Then the soil is found mostly in northern plains of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. It is very fertile and soil is very rich in potassium. Then wheat, rice, jute, sugarcane can cultivate in this alluvial soil. It is suitable for this type of crops. The next one, black soil. Black soil is rich in calcium and potassium and it is found in Maharashtra, Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh. It is black in color. Cotton is the most important crop grown on this type of soil. Sugarcane is another important crop that grown well on this soil. Okay, so black soil is rich in calcium and potassium. It's found in Maharashtra, Gujarat. It's mainly found in plateaus. And cotton is the most important crops grown in this type of soil, and sugarcane also grown here. Then next one, red soil. This type of soil is red in color due to the presence of iron. Why is it red in color? Because of the presence of iron. It is rich in potassium, becomes fertile with the use of proper fertilizers and irrigation. It found in Deccan Plateau and states such as Jharkhand, Odisha, Bihar and Chhattisgarh. We can cultivate groundnut, millet, pulses and tobacco. Then mountain soil. Mountain soil formed by the deposition of organic matter. It is rich in humus but thin, coarse and infertile. This type of soil formed by the deposition of organic matter, it is rich in humus and less fertile. It is mainly found on the hill slopes of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Jammu Kashmir. Which are the crops suitable for the cultivation? Yes, tea, coffee, spices and some fruits are grown in this type of soil. Then next one, desert soil. Desert soil found in Rajasthan and some areas of Punjab and Haryana. It is very sandy and dry. Pulses like bajra are grown on this type of soil. Last type of soil, laterite soil. This soil found in places where heavy rainfall drains away the minerals and nutrients present in the soil. It is mainly used to make bricks. It is found in Kerala, Tamil Nadu and parts of Assam. Some crops that grown in this type of soil are coconut, rubber and tea. So, laterite soil found in Kerala, it is mainly found in the places where heavy rainfall. Then, which are the crops are grown here? Coconut, rubber and tea. So, we can understand that what is soil? What is soil? Soil is the fine materials that found in the earth's surface or earth crust. And we have studied the layers of soil. There are 3 layers, which are the subsoil, topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. Which layer is the most fertile? Yes, which layer? Topmost layer. That means topsoil. It contains humus and very rich in nutrients. So it is very fertile soil. 3 different types of soil in India. We can see 6 major type of soil. Soil is different in different physical features. We can find desert soil in desert, mountain soil in mountain. Isn't it? Yes. So we have discussed which are the types of soil and which are the features or characteristics of these types of soil. Which are the crops are grown there in these types of soil. Okay, got it? Okay, we can discuss our S1 and S2. Listen, layers of soil. First question, fill in the empty pot to show arrangement of soil in different layers. Label each layer. So you have to label each layer. First layer, which is the first layer? Top soil. Then second one, subsoil. Third one, bedrock. Then second question, how is soil formed? Soil formed by breaking down of rocks. Do you think that soil is similar in all places? No. Give reason. Because soil is different everywhere. Not same everywhere. Soil is not same everywhere. It is different in different physical features. Then S2, types of soil. When you complete this table, you have to complete the table. When you complete the table, you have to read the content book. Then only you can complete this table. Okay, all of you read this, read the content book and complete this table. Mountain soil, you have to write about any one feature of the mountain soil. One state, in the first column you have to write the state that found in mountain soil. Then second column, 2 crops grown on this soil. Then you have to write 1 features of this soil. Okay. First I will give one example, mountain soil. What would you write? What will you write? The one state, mountain soil found in Himachal Pradesh. Then 2 crops are grown this soil. Tea, coffee. Then 1 features of this soil. Less humus content, it is very less fertile. Like that, you have to complete all these types of soil with the help of your content book. Okay. Then second question, alluvial soil is formed by the sand and silt that rivers deposit in the plains. From where do the rivers bring the sand and silt? From where bring the rivers the sand and silt? From mountain. Most of the rivers originated from mountains. So rivers bring the sand and silt from the mountain. You have to write, they bring this alluvium soil or rivers bring the sand and silt from mountain. Then next question, how is alluvial soil different from the soil found in areas from where the rivers bring the sand and silt? That means, what is the difference between alluvial soil and a mountain soil? So you have to write here difference between alluvial soil and a mountain soil. Alluvial soil, what is the peculiarities of alluvial soil? Alluvial soil is very fertile soil and it is suitable for different types of cultivation. Then what about mountain soil? Mountain soil is not fertile, cultivate only less type of crops. That means tea and coffee only we can cultivate there in the mountain soil. I hope you clear these two lessons and this block, layers of soil and types of soil. You have to read the content book clearly. After that you can complete your S1 and S2. Okay. I hope you clear. Thank you. Have a nice day.